In this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to create your own free private server in the game Grow a Garden on Roblox. So first things first, here we are on desktop. I'm going to go ahead and search for the Grow a Garden game. Go ahead and go to the game page like you see here. You're going to see a tab that says servers. It's about 2 or 3 over to the right like you see here. I'm going to pull up my iPhone to show you what it looks like on mobile. If you're on mobile, you want to go to the game page like I am here and tap into it and then scroll all the way down to where you see servers right here. If you tap into servers, it'll take you to where you can go and create the private server. So what you want to do now, once under servers, is you want to go to create a private server. It's a button right here and the price is free. Go ahead and go to create a private server. Go ahead and give the server a name right here. You can give it a name up to 50 characters. Go ahead and go to buy now. It's absolutely free. And then when you're ready, you can go ahead and customize. So click or tap the customize button here and you'll have a few different options. If you want it only to be you, you can go ahead and uncheck the allow joining option here, or you can go to allow joining and then you can go to friends allowed. You can even go to server members and you can add individual people from your friends list. Then, if you want to, you can generate a private server link by going to generate. This will be the exact link you'll want to copy and paste and send by just clicking the copy button here and sending it to your friends or people that you want to add. Just make sure you allow joining if that's what you're going to do. Now, when you're ready to go, you can go back to private servers here under Grow a Garden. If we go back to the game here, go to servers, you'll see your server right here. You'll see there's an option here to join. You go to join. It'll go ahead and get the game ready for you, and you'll be launched directly into your new private server. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.